Okay, so today we're going to talk about database and exam booking system. The research attempts to design an online exam booking system for the universities. It aims at addressing the imbalance in the use of universities with examination for students. The study focuses on combining the current examination system and the new online booking system platform to improve the efficiency in the administration of the examination both at home and abroad. The primary functions of the new online examination centre should focus on creating a positive experience, especially during the current era of COVID-19. The design and development of the online booking system and payment system will improve the efficiency in the delivering of exams to all students from various countries and organisations. The digital platform will allow for interaction between the academic staff and students and reduce the efficiency, such as delays in the administration of the exams. So it's an online exam booking system for students, so they can book in the comfort of their own home and pick their own times, and the staff can display their own times. It reduces time, it's more reliable, it's just better and easier, especially with everything going on. So I chose this topic because going through the current situation, we are all in the COVID-19. It has been very difficult to have everything organised and to attend meetings, etc. I thought this would be a perfect idea for students and staff to decide their own times in the comfort of their own homes. By creating and coming up with this system, I've designed to the needs of the users by taking a survey, so we're sure what they would prefer in this system and how they would like it to make everything much quicker and would save a lot of time and hassle by simply selecting a time you prefer from which the staff have made available. So I did create a survey and I shared it around with a lot of students, but even like random people. And I did get quite a few responses, 25 responses, and a lot of people did say they wanted like email notifications and text reminders and stuff. So I did do all of that, but we'll go into that. So the project aims to create a suitable database booking system that can easily be used by students and staff and get used within any sector. So it's mainly aimed at education, but it can be used for like businesses or whatever. It's based on a dual functional role that first involves a comprehensive process of creating and designing an all-friendly database meant for the booking system. The role consists of utilising the database, which should typically accommodate both the student, staff through ease and comfort in usage. To research simple and effective database can apply to exam booking system development. To compare the research booking-based database used the most effective and to design a simple exam booking system, to develop and implement the concept of efficient database development that form an excellent platform for an exam booking, to evaluate the function of the developed exam booking system from the database functionality and web portal to ease usability. I approached this project by looking at similar previous year's projects, which helped me understand what is already out there and what I can do better. I also looked at for what they used to design the end product. So I done surveys which gave me an idea. I also created a Gantt chart which helped me stay organised and on top of my work, and it had like a schedule for me, so it was easy to follow and use, and it helped me like complete everything, well, most of my stuff on time anyway, and it just tracked everything for me because I can literally just put start date, end date. I then looked at different literature reviews and different methodologies. So I used the waterfall method because it's a basic step-to-step process, and it helped me create my end design. It was really like, it's better than the Alga because it's just more simpler. The project didn't exactly go to plan. This is because I ended up creating my website on Wix instead of using Azure and any other coding platform. The reason for this was because of time. Time was running out for me to do the code, to code the designated website. Wix was great and easy to use. It was very simple with step-by-step instructions. It has many features. It can allow the users to identify the appropriate programs to form and the data and information that can support online booking, learning and platforms. Wix is considered appropriate since it's flexible, and thus users can change the design of the website according to their need. So that Wix is really simple to use. It has all instructions on there. I didn't have time, so that's why I used Wix. You can even do reminders and stuff on there if you upgrade your account and stuff, and you can do a lot of other stuff, and you can have different designs and say it however you want, so it is easier. The future development of the online booking system should have considered the participation of different stakeholders to ensure that it successfully meets the established objectives. In the current research study, the scope was limited and could not allow improvements. In addition, future research and the development of the online exam booking portal should be considered. Flexibility. This is because the world is experiencing rapid technology growth that can make the current technology redundant in the future. So this can make my system like not even exist. One of the things that went wrong during the research study was concerned with the selection of the appropriate website to use in the implementation of the appropriate interaction website. The study used Wix to develop an appropriate program for the research study. Although the Wix website provided many features that can accommodate the diverse needs of students, limited resources for the project made it difficult to incorporate the opinions of many stakeholders. So Wix has loads of features, but it doesn't have everything, so couldn't really do it to how we want. However, I still planned a project and created something which could be improved further, and I'm willing to work on until it reaches the desired system which could help many institutions. Thank you for listening.